How to refer a friend in the Lloyds Bank app. First, open the Lloyds mobile banking app. Sign in with your fingerprint, Face ID, or passcode. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app. Then, go to the Apply section. From the home screen, tap Apply, and then select Current Accounts. This is where you'll find the referral option. Step 3. Tap Refer a Friend. Select Current Accounts, and then select the big green button that says Refer a Friend. The app will generate your unique referral link. Step 4. Share your referral link. Send it through WhatsApp, messages, email, Facebook Messenger, or any other sharing app. Each link is valid for 14 days. If it expires, simply create a new one. Your friend must use your referral link to open a qualifying Lloyds current account. Be a brand new Lloyds customer. Certain account types such as student or under 19s are excluded. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.